I spent days on this painting, and at one point, I thought it wouldn't work at all. But I didn't stop. I wanted to paint a portrait inspired by the old masters. Soft light, simple composition, something that feels timeless. But paintings like this don't come together easily. In the beginning, it looked exactly how would you expect. Flat, unfinished, and honestly a little wrong. This is the part no one really talks about. Because at this stage, you don't know if it's going to work. Or if you already ruined it. And I reached that point where stopping feels easier than continuing. But something changed. I slow down. Stop trying to fix everything at once and focused on small changes. The eyes, the tones, the light. Gradually, it started to come alive. But the last stage is always the most delicate. One wrong decision and everything can fall apart. So I took my time. And after all those layers, all the doubt, this is where I led. It's not perfect, but it worked. And sometimes that's more than enough.